Right. Hey guys, what do you got here? We got a water tube line going up here. This one here. This is the ice maker tube, and it's a 5/16. Yeah, 5/16 inches. That's the size of it actually. If you can look at it, can you see a second there? Yeah, there you go. 5/16. Oh, there you go. That's more better. Yeah, that's the size of the hose. Because sometimes you get caught up with the size of the hose. Because this one here is smaller. This one goes directly to the pipe outside the main line. So, and this one takes it from this little baby in here. So this is like a little adapter. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna replace this one here because this here has a little hole, a crack up there. Yeah. So I'm gonna replace it. Here, see this here? This goes directly where the filter is. Yeah. So this one has a little tiny crack here. It is over here. I don't know if you can see it properly. There you go. See, there's a line here. A dark line. There you go. This has a crack right here, and water keeps like spraying out from here like crazy. I didn't even notice until my little boy found out. He saw the floor was wet, so I decided to pull the fridge out and do an inspection. So today I'm gonna replacing this hose. So the water tube, they call it a water tube, ice maker water tube. So what I did is I just removed this cover here. It has like a couple screw in the back. Just remove a simple fix. Remove the screw, and there you go. You have the assembly here. Just take your time. Don't pull too much stuff. You know, push it like a little in the back there. And this was like attached here. It wasn't attached like that. There was a screw here, so I just took the small screw right there. Took it out, and then it comes out very gentle. Don't pull too much because you have wire in the back there and stuff. So this is the part here. The hose comes in the back. It goes here, goes underneath, and it comes circle around there. See? There you go. This is it. And it has a little clip there. You can see this clip here. You just take it over hand. There you go. Just pull it on. There's a small clip, a ring. Just put it there. And this really snaps out now. I gotta snap it. I'm gonna have to put a camera on, the camera down, so I could like pull this out. You can see I could pull it a little bit. I need both hands to like pull it and replace it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put the camera down to get this nipple out. This green nipple just comes out. You get a little small tiny flat Phillips screwdriver, and you just like yank it in there and just do it with feelings. Don't pull too hard. You don't want to damage this unit here. Okay. Right. So we got it out. This was in here. So this was like inside there. That's the whole thing. Yeah, this was in here. And you just slide it through like a little inside there. And it goes right in there. So it goes right inside there. And it goes right in there. You just get a flat Phillip. You just slide it out, you know. Try to do it with feelings. You don't want to like press too hard to punch your fingers. And this spring also was inside the hose. You know, the tube. This was inside. It was inside just like to hold it up, so it doesn't like bend all different angle. You know. So that's it. So what I'm gonna do is, this hose goes all the way up in the back here, and I'm gonna like pull a little under where the filter, the water filter is right inside. I'm gonna go around here, front of the fridge, open up the door here, and there you go. You see there, we have the kind of already loosened it. This was like here, there was a screw here, just loose a screw, and then you pull forward and you drop it down. Yeah, the filter was in here. I already removed the filter. Just twist it, unlock. Yeah, unlock on this side, you turn it on this side, unlock it, and you pull. Then this has a screw. Yeah, just on one small screw. Just loosen it, and you pull forward. Once you get the little loose tubes in the back, you just pull it. Don't pull it too much because the tube is in the back here. Here, you can see that. There you go. That's the setup there. See? Yeah. That's all. So you just snap it out from there, put it replace, and push the new hose with water tube from the back, and get it in there, and you're good to go. And you just set it up back. Very simple fix. It's not that hard. But just make sure you unplug your refrigerator. You know, always any electrical appliances, you just unplug it before you use it. You don't want to, you know, damage anything, because you know water and electricity don't mix. All right, guys. All right, so you see, I pulled it. It was like, once I got the tube loosened in the back, I kind of pulled forward a little, twist this a little so you can work on it. And as you can see, here you go. You see this one here? This one I'm replacing this tube here. There's a nipple, same thing like the bottom. You just pull the nipple out there. You get a screwdriver, put it in there. So there, you just try to like yank it out. See it yanks just a little. I gotta do it with both hands, so I'm gonna put my phone on. Yeah, and then once that pops out there, it's very easy. Just take your time and do it. And then you pull this hose, you pull it out, snap the new one back in, and then you connect it back. You push it through here, the hole, and then you connect it in the bottom. That's all there is to it. It's not no kind of big job really. So, alright guys, thank you for watching. Well, here's the new hoses installed. Very simple. Has a small clip there. You just take this clip out. Yeah, this clip here, see there's a black clip here. You just pop it out. Yeah, it snaps out very easy. And then once you do that, you just take a Phillip, a flat, and you just try to remove the green nipple here, and then it comes out. So this is the new hose. This is gonna go back here. And this is gonna go inside there. Back here. And this is gonna go in here. Like that. There you go. So here we go. So there you go. So there are monks there. I just need to line it up and set it back. I don't want to damage this small hose here, but this is the main hose. I'm supposed to remove the cover, but I don't want to. Okay. We got that, so back and running there. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna just set it up and put that back in there and put the cover in. Boom. This is all ready to go there. The new hose was replaced, so I'm gonna set it up. Alright, thank you.